To navigate in your interactive learning, you have buttons in the bottom right-hand corner. These allow you to move backwards and forwards. Also, you can use the menu to select which slide to go to. All of your blue buttons are clickable and will bring up new information and also answer questions when required. When you have a question that requires you to submit an answer, you will see a tick in the bottom right-hand corner. When you have selected your answers, select the tick. This will submit your answer. If you need to try again, reuse the tick, and you will also have more information that you can click on the blue buttons.